Thank you. Appreciate it.
Back up here.
Where the cats will be at USC, right? So we can help yeah, okay, we need to kind of side, please. I'm sorry.
Okay. The ball tends to find him, and you know, he's really been cutting and moving better than
with OKC, and obviously we turn the page, and when we face them, it's one of those games.
Playing great. You know, the last few weeks he's been amazing for us. He's kind of that steady force for us. So, you know, it's definitely going to switch some things up.
Teammates doing a good job of, freeing me up, and I put the work in and prepare myself every game, and just having to knock them down.